So I have in my hand a petition to the United States Supreme Court, Jennifer Murphey versus the United States of America, the FDA, DEA, HHS, and the state of Arizona. I am Jennifer Murphey. I'm an attorney, and I wrote this. I created a lawsuit that I filed initially in 2022. It is the biggest lawsuit in history to challenge the war on drugs. In this lawsuit, I essentially serve as prosecutor on behalf of the people. So a lot of us know that the war on drugs is wrong. We don't quite understand why or how as far as the legalities of it go. A lawsuit is a bit different than policy change. My job is to present why the Controlled Substances Act and 2 international treaties are illegal, why the entire thing is illegal. See, policy change and just fighting within the system affirms that that system is legal. This steps outside of that and says that the entire system is illegal, including the United Nations, the World Health Organization, pursuant to these 2 international treaties that I talk about. So essentially what I'm saying is that the government is acting unlawfully, and it needs to be reviewed by the court so they can determine whether the government is actually acting illegally. So that is my purpose, a prosecutor on behalf of the people pursuant to this lawsuit. For purposes of this, I wanted to read the petition. This petition is so important. And so far, the Federal District Court and the Ninth Circuit have ignored my lawsuits. They dismissed my claims by applying incorrect law, and I feel like they didn't even read my complaint, which was essentially a research paper of 60 years worth of illegal government action. So this is my last opportunity for all of us, being that this has resulted in imprisonments and deaths of millions of people. It deserves to be questioned. Again, one of the reasons the lower courts have been able to just silence this and deny any form of justice is because we're quiet. No one really knows about this lawsuit, and a lot of people, as I mentioned, don't understand it. All it will take is just for one person who has a platform to get this out there. And the more people who understand it, who know about this, the more likely the Supreme Court will grant the petition, because they will know that we're watching. So I believe it's very important that we make this known. So I ask that you release any beliefs you might have about the war on drugs, about what it even is, and be willing to expand your mind to receive a new perspective. With that, I'm going to read the petition.